Mexican. And the cake clip a car go 21. Bumbo will have
Up in a car, the right pants, bro, G and a tall shot, boy, I get everything.
Yeah, what style, man, for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton, then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean, I say, yo, alright, that's the artists and the bodies review them, man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
Say them bad, but I never see it. Them say them kill people and you never
jump anywhere they done done 38 madness, me not left me and gun.
Yes, it's a beautiful Monday morning. I like how the sun look, you know. Like how neighbor them a pass by, I do them regular routine, kids are go to school and everything looking corpo set, you see it. I mean I say viewers and subscribers, you know, I come across two bad artists do. Yeah man, they look promising, they sound promising, you see it. Yeah. And the first one I go talk about goes by the name
Sparks, watch your technician, watch your little life crush up like a Pepsi can.
Astro38. You see me, and him YouTube Vibo goes by the name 38 Official. You see me, in Japan, song title Heartless Killers. You see me, I know it produced by a bad engineer and a bad producer goes by the name galaxycontrolmusic. You see it? So me I say big up yourself in a Galaxy Control. You see me? I mean I say ads records. Big up yourself, CM, you know. For do the right thing, you know, and the artist sound connect, you see it, in sound connect and solid. I just work in need for put in, you see me, no joke viewers and subscriber, you know. Remember say Soji TV Entertainment always forward up with some bad underground artists where I do some bad song where people now hear and the world now hear, you know. So you know me there showcase the artists them said where some want to know guys we go over in Vivo 38 Official and go give him the support. Make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment send you over there. You see me? On Jeds, normal pre-no man. You see a simplicity we use to survive nowadays. You know, you see me? And from me I put in the work and I see artists them I put in the work. From me I do the support. You give what the support said way. You see me? Normal pre. And me I say, you know, say next artist when me I go talk about go
buy a Glock and 7 box of teeth. Me nah my gun now, no man has to step past police.
By the name El Santo. You see me? And you know say in Japan song title say them bad. 2 months ago, you see me? I mean I say Galaxy Control Music producer said way, you see Ad Records. I mean I say yo, as some underground engineer and producer them we do them thing, you know. Some would want to know guys if you go follow them social media platform. You see me? You can follow them on Instagram, YouTube, wherever you type up their name and you see them. Yeah man, so give them the support, you know. A one link, one family. I mean I say Soji TV Entertainment, there you see them where so you know say if you haven't subscribed, you can go over Soji TV Entertainment and subscribe. And want to know if you go over artist them Vivo and go subscribe. You see me, you can find El Santo El Santo Vivo on YouTube. You see me, you can find Astro38 38 Official on YouTube said we. Go and go give the artist them support, man. And remember to make them know say Soji TV Entertainment sending over there. You see me? On Jeds, I hope you guys have a productive day now. Madam mean.
Look Jack again in the 9 execute taller than a para every day, my mother.
That's barrel a rotate like fan. I ain't make space from the streets that are